Namaste students, in last class I introduced time chapter. Okay, I have shown one clock. Okay, this is the clock. So in this clock having two hands, the clock has two hands. One is short hand, another one is longer hand. So short hand shows hour, the longer hand shows minutes. Okay, in this clock having big divisions are there. So the numbers are there, so we can call it as divisions. Our numbers are divisions ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ? It start from 1. So so we can consider for 1 in the start ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬೋಣ. So 1 to up to how many hours are there? So 1 we can take to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Totally 12 divisions are there. Each 12 division having divisions are there. Look at that. So in this clock having small divisions are there. So what are the small divisions? These are 1 minute. These are 1 minute. So small divisions are called as small divisions. Each division we can call small 1 minute. So we can look at that. So I have written in the board. So we know that there are 12 big divisions. So look at this. This is just 12 big divisions I have written in the board. Okay, marked on the clock. Each big division has 5 small divisions. So look at this. So having small 5 divisions here, 1 2 3 4 and 5. 5 divisions. So again another one, next number we can check it. 1 2 3 4 and 5. 5 divisions are there. So again we can check that 1 2 3 4 5. Small divisions are there. Each big division has 5 small divisions. Then each small division stands for 1 minute. Small small divisions ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಅವನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? 1 minute ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So okay, so we can observe the clock. We can observe this clock. ಈ clock ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. Small divisions ಯಾವು, big divisions ಯಾವು ಅಂತ. Big divisions are I have written in the number. So small divisions I have marked in the small lines. So these are called as minutes. So okay, therefore each small division stands for 1 minute. There are, so total how many big divisions are there? 12 big divisions, and then each big division having 5 minutes are there. 5 small divisions, multiply 12 into 5, we get 60 small divisions. Total how many? 60 small divisions. So we can say that 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour equal to how many minutes? 60 minutes. So I hope all of you understand that. Okay, so Guruji, what is this? This is called as zero. Guruji, what you called? How many minutes are in 12? Zero. Next one, Guruji, can we 5 ನಿಮಿಷ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು? So 5 minutes. So it is one we can call it as 5 minutes. What about this one? 10 minutes. Next, this is 15 minutes. What is this? This is 20 minutes. So we can multiply 5 to the each number. 5 on the 5, 5 to the 10, 5 to the 15, 5 for the 20. So 4 will come, it is minute hand is 4, it is 20 minutes. So sometimes it is come to 5, it is 25 minutes. Then here 30, then here 35 minutes, then here 40, then here 45, 50, then here 60, sorry 55, sorry 55. So here consider for 60 or 0. So we can call it as 60 or 0. I hope clear. So once again I will repeat this concept. This is a clock. Clock has 2 hands. So here we know that there are 12 big divisions. Illella 12 big divisions ಇದಾವೆ. Okay, numbers ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Each big divisions has 5 small divisions. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆನೂ 5 small divisions ಇದಾವೆ. Okay, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ small 5 divisions ಇದಾವೆ. Each small division stands for 1 minute. ಇವೆಲ್ಲವಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಕರಿತೀವಿ? 1 minute ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So ಗುರುಜಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಇದು 10 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 15 ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿ we can consider for small divisions also we can count it. So we get complete 20, 25, 30. So we can next number we can taken the number. Okay, this is the complete clock. Idu complete. So I hope all of you understand this class. So next one I will go for how to read the time, reading the time. So first one today I have introduced. First one full hour, another one is um, quarter past. I will tell that quarter past I will have. So what about another one? First one is full hour and half past. Okay, not for quarter past. Tomorrow next class I will take the quarter past. Okay, now okay, now full hour first or o'clock. We can read the 4 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock. We have read this time. So I will take one example. So where is the minute hand? Where is the hour hand? First we have to understand. So one example I will show on the board. Okay, look at that. So first one full hour. When the minute hand is at 12. When the minute hand is at 12. The minute hand is what? Which one? Which is the minute hand? Bigger hand is minute hand. The minute hand is at 12 and the hour hand is at what is it? 4. So is the hour hand is at 4? Hour hand is at 4. Minute hand is at 12. Minute hand is at 12. So okay. So we read the time as 4 o'clock. This time we can call it as 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock. So we can also written 400 minutes. So 400 minutes. So we can, I have already told 12 has to be 0 or we can consider for 60 minutes. Okay. So this is called as clock time. Sometimes Guruji, only we can try and read this time. We can read this clock. So Guruji, sometimes it is our hand is different way, different places will be there. So what you call the time? Okay. Here minute hand is at 12, hour hand is at 4. So one example I will show that. So same that I will take to another one example. Hour hand is at 7, the minute hand is at 7. So minute hand is at 12, hour hand is at 7. What is the time now? So we can call it as 7 o'clock. What is the time now? 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock. Next, so we can write the minutes also. 700 minutes. 700 minutes. So here the hour hand is at 7, the minute hand is at 12. So we can read this time. It is 7 o'clock. Next, I will take another one example. So I will tell, okay. So hour hand is at, where is it hour hand? I will show on 10. The minute hand is at 12. What's the time now? It's what time? So we can consider for the hour. So what is the time? So time is 10 o'clock. The time is 10 o'clock. So we can write 10:00 minutes. It is called as 10 o'clock. Okay, this is so one example I will show. So remaining examples you have to understand. So this is 4 o'clock, this is 7 o'clock, this is 10 o'clock. Okay, I hope all of you understand that. Okay, it is a full hour. So we can 1 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 5 o'clock, next 3 o'clock, 1 o'clock. So we can draw the different full hours we can draw that. So, okay, so three examples we have, I have to enough. So it is enough for you can understand. Okay, next I will go for half past. Okay, students. Now half past. Half past on the stove. So half on the stove 60 it is 30. So 10 half 5, 20 half 10, 30 half 15, 60 off means 30. So 60 off means 30 minutes. Okay. So look at that. Half past means 30 minutes. 30 minutes ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಗುರುಜಿ. ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? So we can take the number. So ಗುರುಜಿ here 0. Okay, here 5. Next 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 30 minutes ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 60 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 30 minutes ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 60 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 50 minutes ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 35, 40, 45, 50. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 10 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So we can multiply each number. So we get 5, multiply 5, we get the minutes. Okay, multiply 5 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿಕ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಗುರುಜಿ 5 ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 25. 5 into 5 25. 4 ಗೆ 5 4 20. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 11 ಗೆ 11 into 5 11 5 55. ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಒನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನಾನು ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಒನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತರ ನಿಮಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಅದೇ ತರದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೋ, ಸೊ ಹಾಫ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು 30 minutes. Okay, so in the given clock the hour hand is between 4 and 5. Our hand is between 4 and 5. ಗುರುಜಿ 4 and 5 ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಯಾವ ಅವರ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು? 4 ತಗೋಬೇಕು. 5 and 6 ಇದ್ದಾಗ 5 ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆಯೋ ಅದೇ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆಯೋ ಅದೇ ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೋ. ಈಗ 2 and 3 ಇದ್ರೆ 2 ನೇ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. 3 and 4 ಇದ್ರೆ 3 ತಗೋಬೇಕು. 8 and 9 ಇದ್ದಾಗ 8 ತಗೋಬೇಕು. 9 and 10 ಇದ್ದಾಗ 9 ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅದೇ ನಂಬರ್ನ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ the hour hand is between 4 and 5. 4 and 5 ಇದ್ದಾಗ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ we can taken 4. Okay, next, the minute hand is at 6. The minute hand is at 6. So what is the time? We read the time. Time is read the time as half past 4. ಏನಂತ ಓದ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು? half past 4. half past 4. So we can tell the time 4 hour 30 minutes. 4 hour 30 minutes. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, hour hand ಇದೆ, 4 and 5 between ಇದೆ. So we can take 4. 5 and 6 ಇದ್ರೆ 5. ಓಕೆ, 6 and 7 ಇದ್ರೆ 6. ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅದೇ ನಂಬರ್ನ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಾಲ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್ 4 half past 4. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4 o'clock ಅಲ್ಲಿ 30 minutes ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಆಗೋಗಿದೆ. ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಆಗೋಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ 4 half past 4. The time is 4:30. It is a one example. It is a one example. I will take another example. So look at that. It is I hope all of you understand. 4:30. That is called as 4:30. I will take the hour hand is 1 and 2 between. The hour hand is 1 and 2 between. The minute hand is at 1. Minute hand is at 6. So one example. Second one example. So our hand is taken. So 10 and 11 between. 10 and 11 between. The hour hand is, the minute hand is at 6. The minute hand is at 6. Next one. The hour hand is at 8 and 7. Hour hand is between 8 and 7. The minute hand is at 6. So we read the time. Okay. So same that using this example, we can tell the answer of the remaining clocks. So Guruji, the hour hand is at 1 and 2 between. Which hour we can take it? 1 o'clock. So keep in mind. So time is, so we can 1:30 because our hand is 1 and 2. So we can take 1. So 6 is 30 minutes. 1:30. What you call the name of the clock? Half past 1. Half past 1. So I hope all of you understand. Half past 1. Next one. So Guruji, what about second one? So here 10 and 11 between. So what you taken the time? 10. So time is what? Half past 10. Half past 10. So we can take the time 10:30. The time is 10:30. Time is taken time 10:30. Next, what about the third one example? So our hand is at 7 and 8. So which number you can take it? 7. ಯಾವುದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅದನ್ನೇ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. So time is 7:30. So we can read the time half past 7. Half past 7. Half past 7. So this is the time. Half past ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತೈತಲ್ಲ, 30 minutes. Half past ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? 30 minutes. ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಗಿರೋದು, ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು, ಆಗಿರೋದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಟೈಮ್ ಅನ್ನ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಫುಲ್ ಅವರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಓಕೆ, ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟುಡೇಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಯುವರ್ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಈಸ್ ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 114. Page number 114. 4 examples, three examples are there. I will sending photo with the homework. Solved in textbook one time and also solved in HW also. Okay, so this is the homework for your today's homework. So okay, next class I will take quarter past and quarter to next hour. So okay, in two another one examples are there. Okay. Okay students, dhanyawad. Thank you so much.